you already tired of transcribing your qualitative data manually? Here, Microsoft Word for Web will help you transcribe your data in less than a minute. You just have to go to your browser and open an MS Word for Web. And then here you will see Dictate. And then click the drop-down arrow, click Transcribe, and here you will see Upload Audio and Start Recording. But in this video, we shall be doing Upload Audio. Then click that, choose the audio material that you would like to transcribe, and then click it. Currently, it only supports English with a minimum or a maximum file upload of 200 megabytes. And also, it supports MP4, MP4A, MP3, and WAV. So after the MS Word for Web transcribed your data, you can see on the side the transcribed data. So here you can edit the name of the speaker. You may also check if the transcribed data is accurate, and then you can edit it. And then verify if everything is already good. And then you just have to click Add to Document. So click with the speaker. Okay, so there you have it. You already have your transcribed data for your qualitative research. So this feature of Microsoft Word for Web allows teachers and students to finish the data analysis of their research as fast as they can.